What's up, black belt barbers? Guys, today we're gonna be talking about and discussing about the barber origin, where we came from. It's always good to know and understand where we came from, our culture, uh, what why we do things that we do it today, why the clients do what they do it today. So our history start back then, the second century before Christ. Okay, wow, it's blown my mind because I thought we started yesterday, but we didn't. It was like way back before Christ. So we as a barber in the high society in Egypt, we were very respect from the loyal people. You know, the prince, the kings, the queens. So we were very respected. So years later, going back to Greece, the barbershop used to be a spot that politicians would like to go to talk about politics, talk philosophy, poetry, any of those topics that were very important for them. They gather there, they feel comfortable to talk about that stuff there. So still nowadays, our clients come to the shop not only anymore for haircut and beard, but they come to decompress, relax, talk about themselves. They want to be heard. They like to be comfortable and talk about things they are not even comfortable at home, even with their wives. So going back in Rome years later, the men dedicate a lot of their times to take care of themselves, to take care of their beard. The Roman people, if you look at the book, the history, movies, you're gonna see the pictures that their beard was nice and long, nice and shaped, nice and groomed because it has a lot of pride to have those long, beautiful beards. If you go to those, I don't know, Catholic church, you're gonna see long beards with those Roman people. They had a lot of pride of that. And the first organization that was created, was created in France. The first organization of barbers was created in France in the year of 1096. So back then was the bishop prohibited men's having a beard. So now the barbers couldn't shave the client's beard, so they couldn't make a live, and they migrate to be a dentist. Also, became a barber surgeon, and barber dentist. So what they used to do is, whenever the client was in a chair doing their haircut and being groomed, they used to ask for extract their tooth. Imagine back then you as a barber extracting someone's tooth. Would you do that? So, and they used to be a barber surgeon when they used to take care and treat soldier with wounds that came back from the war. And over the years passing by, the two professions separate itself. Barbers now do only haircut and beard, and the other two professions do what they do it today. So now, if you didn't know about our background, our history, you know. So remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. See you next class.